Food prices are soaring and pesticides can damage your health. That is why gardeners of all types need an Easy Clone garden today. This miraculous little machine helps you duplicate your favorite plants. Simply take a clipping from an existing plant, insert into an Easy Clone garden, and be amazed as it grows roots very quickly. Just pick, clip, and clone. When roots appear, simply transfer your newly cloned plant wherever you choose. It's that easy. You can turn one plant into 16 new plants in just a few days. No more spending ridiculous amounts of money for plants ever again. At just $74.95 for our starter system, this incredible machine pays for itself the first time you use it. Family and friends of all ages can now have fun learning to reproduce fruits, vegetables, herbs, and houseplants right at home. Enjoy simple plant cloning today and pick up the amazing Easy Clone garden at easyclone.com. Order now and receive 10% off. Larger sizes also available. 30-day money-back guarantee.